The connection type intersection. Open the interface for connections and then select the connection type for intersection. For the intersection connection type, the order of selection determines the placement of the component. All possible connection types are now checked and displayed in the interface. By clicking on a connection, the connection is now automatically placed in the correct position and aligned correctly depending on the selection sequence. In addition, connection elements such as screws are added so that the material extraction is correct at the end. As a test, we will now reverse the order of selection to see the result. As with all other connection types, the principle applies here that the selection with the number 1 is the profile that is connected. Enjoy the next video.